Hello friends, welcome to Plants Crochet Cooking and more, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. I am up here in my terrace and this is how the sky looks, and I was thinking if only the cloudburst wouldn't have happened a few days back, so many lives would have been saved. Destruction could be avoided. Whenever I think of Sikkim, whenever the word Sikkim comes to my mind, my heart becomes heavy. All that we can do now is pray for Sikkim. Actually, it is beyond our imagination what the people are going through. All that we can do is pray for them. So coming to the terrace, I had to show you some of my plants while watering. So this is my snake plant. It is doing extremely well, and I just spotted a new pup that it is giving up. So that is one thing that is there to cheer me up for the day. A beautiful plant, lovely color combination. Look at the leaves, a beautiful plant. Now moving ahead to another beautiful plant. This is the spider plant, all time my favorite. Look at the vibrantly colored leaves, just green and white, but still so beautiful. All of it is God's creation. Look at it, such a beauty. Now the snake plant is also in the shade of green, and that is also equally beautiful. That is also my favorite, along with the spider plant. That's my syngonium. Had no intention to show this fellow, but it was there, so I just showed you. This is my Portulicara afra, or the elephant's paw, I think it is called. I am forgetting the names of the plants as actually my mind is a little bit disturbed. The leaves are beautiful. It is the texture of the leaves are, when you touch it, you'll feel that the leaves are thick. It is shiny, glossy, a beautiful plant overall. And this is my Echeveria melaco. It has two heads, and look at it how it is twisting and winding like the river. See, like the river Tista. I don't know. It's a beautiful plant, one of my favorite succulent. Now this is again a beautiful plant given to me by my younger cousin. Those of you watching our videos from the very beginning might have by now heard this numerous times. Now here's my panda's paw, which I had shifted into this spot I think a week back, or more than a week, and it is doing well now. This is also an interesting plant. When we touch it, it is soft, sort of hairy. Now this is a beautiful plant, again a succulent, a sedum, and this side of the plant is green because it was deprived of the direct light, and see, this side has colored up, and the color will get more intense as it gets the sun. This is just the starting of coloring up. See how pretty it is. And the best part about this particular plant, see, this portion is also colored because it was getting the sunlight, and the little babies in the bottom are all green because they didn't get enough sunlight. Now this is another beautiful plant, also given to me by my younger cousin again, but this has not grown pups. The earlier one which I showed you, the red one, has got numerous pups and it has to be separated. Today I saw it already has 4 or 3 such pups. Now this Echeveria is a beautiful one. It's very easy to propagate. Once the leaves fall, it starts developing roots. I love this Echeveria. Beautiful plant. Very interesting. And this also colors up when it gets the full sun. Look at this Echeveria Milako. This is also Milako. And wait, look what it has developed. Pretty pink roots. Actually it is crying out for being shifted to another pot. And this is the inflorescence. It has small leaves. If those leaves are detached and dropped in the soil, it will soon develop into baby pups. So this is all for today, friends. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, to share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and do pray for Sikkim. Thank you for staying till the end. Bye bye for today. Bye.